We're staying in our office layout.dwg file, and we're going to take a look at the move and copy functionality within AutoCAD. Now, like I've said to you before, anything on that right-click shortcut menu is also available up here on the Modify panel. It is, however, quicker to right-click and use the shortcut menu. So if I select my desk, like so, and then I right-click and I select Move, I'm now asked for a base point where I move from. So I'm going to click here on that endpoint snap there, left-click, I'm going to pop it over here to that endpoint snap on the end of the wall, left-click. As you can see, it's moved. Now, what I can also do is copy that desk. So if I select that desk again and right-click again on the shortcut menu, select Copy Selection. So I'll go for that corner of the desk again. Make sure you get the right object snap. Make sure you get the desk and not the wall. And then we'll pop that into this little cubicle here. Now, if you need to zoom in to get that endpoint in the corner, do so. Click there, enter to finish, and then just zoom out again so that you can see what you're doing. Now, what we can also do is move our little plant here. So let's click on that plant. And again, select it, right-click, move. I'm just going to pick that point in the center of the plant. You may find it's an intersection snap. Left-click, and I'm going to pop that there, like so. I'm going to select it again, right-click, copy selection. Again, go for the intersection in the center, left-click, and I'm going to pop another one, say, there, like that. And then enter to finish. So that's some copying of the plant done as well. Now, we're going to do two more quick moves. We're going to select the computer, right-click, move, use the midpoint snap there on the top of the computer. That's going to go over here on this desk, like that. Select the chair, right-click, move, go for the midpoint there again on the chair, pop it into that cubicle there, left-click again. So as you can see, move and copy are very quick and easy. They are modify commands that you will be using all the time when you're working in AutoCAD. That's why they're so quick and easy to use, because it's a quick few clicks to modify your drawing to suit your requirements.